it's Christina here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. I am super excited that you inquired about the Accent. Now, I also want to let you know that we are taking all necessary precautions in light of everything that's going on in our nation today. We are sanitizing the dealership daily, and we're also cleaning all the touch points and sanitizing those throughout the day. On top of that, we are offering to bring you this amazing vehicle to your home for you to test drive, so that you don't even have to come out to the dealership. On top of that, Hyundai has decided they're going to do some extra stimulus package incentives just for you guys, the buyer. There's going to be 90 days to the first payment, as well as if you were to lose your job due to the coronavirus, they would even wipe out 6 months of your payments as well. Listen, that is the best thing that they are offering right now in the manufacturing industry, and it is not beatable. On top of that, you have an amazing vehicle, so come on, let's check it out. It's going to have our beautiful Hyundai symbol right here in the front. It's going to have our headlights running here. You're going to enjoy the fact that this compact sedan is going to have a ton of fuel mileage. This one averages around 41 on the highway, around 33 in city. And to top it off, it has a backup cam, Bluetooth, as well as a number of other amazing features. But the best thing about this vehicle is the fact that it has America's best warranty. It's a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we at Tameron Hyundai exclusively double to 20 years and 200,000 miles. So to top all of that off, we're also going to throw in 3 years maintenance free. Listen, you cannot beat this. Is the best time to buy a vehicle. So give us a call. It's 205-314-0301. Again, my name is Christina. Let me show you why you love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.